Guys, it is February 8th, 2022. So here I got a call from a new customer. Actually, it's a son of someone I went to school with back in the day.
Turn right.
And he says he said he's got an oil burner. He's a town over. And he said he replaced the burner head on it. And ever since he replaced the burner head, it's been having a hard time starting, kind of like a little explosion when it starts. And he said he changed the nozzle. He's been doing the burner service himself, and can't seem to get it to work. Well, it's never worked right since he changed the burner head. So it doesn't sound like it's set up properly. Either the drawer assembly's not set right, or the electrodes, or could be the transformer's wimpy. Could have the wrong nozzle in there. Might be giving it too much air. There's a lot of things that could be going on with it. But anyway, we're going to go over there and see if we can help out this guy, see if we can dial it in for him and get it running for him. Seems to be, he says it trips all the time, so I mean that could be a protector relay. That could be anything, motor. Well, we're going to go over there and set it up for him and see if we could let it ride and see what happens here. Make sure we're getting a good oil flow and
turn right on State Road.
All that type of stuff. Try to bring you along if I can. Sure, he's going to be a helicopter type. Firematic on it, and it don't have that.
The guy put it in.
See how this is loose like that?
Yeah.
You're going to be sucking in air over here.
Yep.
See how that's loose like that? Huh?
Will you take pictures before you touch it?
I take pictures when there's a problem like this.
Oh, that's good, huh?
So what do you got, an outside tank?
Yeah, it goes outside in the back of the house.
This is not good like this, floating in the wind.
Yeah.
So there's oil in here. What's probably happening is you're not set up properly, and the nozzle's hitting or something. Let me look at that, okay? This thing's really kind of a fucking shit show here, though. Big time.
What do you do, a video?
Sometimes.
That's good for you, huh?
All right, so what do we got? Power.
There's a main switch over there near the door.
And it's having a hard time starting. It's leaking inside. So there's things going on with it that we have to address right now. Okay. I'm kind of glad you're here because you're kind of like Joe Homeowner, right? You like doing this shit. No?
We got a recorder now. You don't need me here though, right?
Where you going?
I was just going up the road, Sanford Road.
How you gonna pay me?
You're not gonna be. We gotta take a hour maybe.
I don't know. I don't even know what the problem is.
All right, I'll be right back real quick. I just gotta drop my truck off and come back.
All right, yeah, come on, yeah. I'll be here. I don't even know what the problem is here yet with it. We're gonna try to figure it out for you. Okay?
Yeah, it's leaking.
Yeah.
fuel.
See how that's all this oil?
Yeah, it was leaking fuel in there.
No good. First of all, I'll tell you what the problem is right now.
Right.
See this fucking thing right here?
Yeah.
You can't run that with a gallon nozzle in it. See this?
Yeah.
You can't have that. That's only for 75. 75.
That's what I got
0.75. What do you got in there?
I don't know.
Take this thing the fuck out of here for one thing.
You don't need it?
No, that's a restrictor plate. We don't want that in there. That's a problem.
That's what I got you here for.
And then this thing, we gotta find out. Everything seems.
Since I took that out, I have a problem.
Everything seems loosey goosey in there. You said you put a new one in there?
Yeah.
Might not be set right.
I thought they come all set. I'll be right back, though.
Alright, yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I don't want to bother you.
Thing's all full of flipping oil. Something's not right here. Got this thing off. Something's not right here with this thing. Something's fucking dripping and everything. Wow, that's way off. Look at that, it's way the fuck off. He had the restrictor plate in there for one. I don't even know what he's got in there for a head. Yeah, he's got an okay head in there. That shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, it's not set up right. He's running a 1 gallon nozzle with that restrictor plate. That's no good. That's probably what his problem is. Either that or he's got a bad jet tube here that's leaking. That's possible. The threads on this thing seem to be okay. I'm going to put a smaller nozzle in there for one thing right from the get-go. Let's see what we got here for, let's see where our drawer assembly is at. I made one out of metal. So we'll see where his drawer assembly is set at. That should be set. We'll see. See if that's even where it needs to be. Something don't seem right here right from the get-go. Yeah, he's way off with his drawer assembly. Oh, that's it right there. That's what we want to be right there. So we'll mark that. That's the drawer assembly. That's what we want to be right there. Okay. That's what we want to be. With it. I'm going to put a smaller nozzle in it. It's too big. It's too big of a nozzle. Oh, 75 in there, worn a lot better. What the fuck is dripping? Electrodes are way off. I'm gonna have to cut the air band way back. Electrodes are like way off. This is even bent. This thing's flipping bent. This is a good size. See how big this is? There might be an issue with it starting like that. That's a big head. I don't know if it'll start with a smaller nozzle in it. I'm going to bring these way in. But you see this here? This has got big gaps here. It's a lot better there. Try that. I don't even know about this igniter. This is even any good. We're going to start with what I just did. And we'll start with that and see what happens. What we get at the fire. See if it will even fire. We'll have to cut the air band way back. This thing's all fucking loosey-goosey here, mama. It's crazy. Yeah. Put a smaller nozzle in there. See if she fires up. She said it was firing really rough. Cause he's got the wrong flipping head in this thing, I think. I'm gonna have to cut the air band way back now because I took the restrictor plate out, right? We're gonna shut that, and then this is gonna have to be. Hopefully I can get in there and see it. Yeah, I'm going to see if it fires now. Let's see if it fires now. Hold on. Delayed oil. Delayed oil valve worked. Well, she fired up nice there. Yeah. Fired up fucking sweet, guy. Beautiful. You have the restrictor plate in there. You can't run that with a gallon nozzle. And I think that's what the problem was. Focus dripping. Something's dripping here. Maybe once it warms up, it won't. Alright, remove restrictor plate, smaller nozzle, reset electrodes. She fired right up.